Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining the problem Nine or Nein. So it was asked in it AtCoder beginner contest 471. So let's go to the problem statement. So you are given positive integers a and b. If at least one of the following value equals to 9, output 9, otherwise we have to output Nein. So um, this is the operations if a plus b equals to 9 or a minus b equals to 9 or a into b or a divided by b. So yeah, so the problem name is Nein or Nine. Nine or Nein. So they've given two positive integers a and b. Okay, it's a positive integer only. Yes, from 1 to 100. So we need to output. We need to print as 9 when if at least one of the following operations holds good. So what are the operations? If a plus b equals to 9, or a minus b equals to 9, or a into b equals to 9, or a divided by b equals to 9. So in this the main thing is division you'll have to take care. So in case of division, let's say you have a as 66 and b as 7. So 66 by 7, if you do, this will be 9.4 point something. So it is a point that it is not perfectly divisible. So if it is perfectly divisible, then we need to do. So we have to check one more thing. In case of a divided by b, we have to check if a divided by equals to 9 and a modulo b equals to 0, which means we don't have any reminder. So we have to print 9. Otherwise, we need to print nin, N-E-I-N. So that's it about the problem statement. Let's code it up. So for every test case, we have two integers a and b. I've taken their inputs. Now we have to check if a plus b equals to 9 or a minus b is equals to 9 or a into b equals to 9 or a divided by b equals to 9, and we need to check a modulo b has to be equals to 0, which means it is a perfectly divisible. So if that's the case, then we need to output as 9, else we need to output as Nein. Let's try to run it. So all test cases are running. Let's try to submit. So yeah, it got accepted. So in this way, you could have easily solved the problem. The only thing was a divided by b. You'll have to take care. Yeah. So thank you guys.